Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make the mechanism of this machine. Okay, for starters, we're going to be working on this piece. For starters, what I'll need you guys to do is to go around to the back of your machine and take off these pieces. Rearrange, I want 2x3 there, and I believe a 2x3 there. Let me just check. 1 second. Okay. 2x3. Get a 1x2 there. Another 1x2 there. And a 1x2 there. And I'm just going to put that piece there because I had that piece and that piece there. So once you've done that, I'm going to teach you how to make this piece. Get a long rod. I believe this is like a 1x10 rod. But that's how long it is. Then you need to get a 2x2, a 2x1, a 1x2. I want a 1x2 there and 1x2 here. Make it have a cross in it. And then get a thin 2x2, place it on the top. Then get two 2x2 flat pieces, such as that, with studs. Then put them on the bottom. And then get the rod and insert it in here. Then, you need to make this piece. Get 3 layers of normal 1x4s, and then on the 5th, get one, but make it have holes in. Then slide it through. Then get a 2x4 piece, and then put 3 1x2s with holes in. And then put that through there. And then, when you connect them, it should look a little something like this. Stick that piece here, down there, then put that piece, then put this piece right up against the wall. Then you should have that there. So it should look a little something like this. Once you've done that, good. Now for the turner. The turner, these are the pieces that you'll need. For starters, get a 1x5 piece, axle piece, and then put on your cylinder piece. So you have like a little key. Then get a 1x2 hole piece, put it in. Then get this small little stopper. I'm going to call it a stopper. Push it through. So then this can't move. Then get this piece and push it in. Not all the way, but just so it looks, I believe, like that. And it has to be like that. And put this piece here. So that's basically the mechanism. Yes, I know that is moved over, because normally this piece was here, but I did that for more better reasons, and that is also not yellow. That is brown. That is grey, because if we turn right there for the locking mechanism on that machine, I had to use that piece. So it could be color matching. Then what you have to do is just get 1x8 piece. Put one there, 1x4 piece here. Get another 1x8. Put it there. 2x3 piece here. Then just continue around with bricks. Two by four. 4 by 8, 2 by 8, another 2 by 4, another 2 by 4. So now you should have something that basically looks like this. And then for the next, where you put this piece, take it off, and then get 3 2 by 4s, and then put like a little boundary of 1 by 1 of like I've got 2 1 by 6s, so it should look a little something like this. Place that there, and get 2 by 2 piece there, because that is where you're gonna place your gobstopper for storage. That's where your candy is gonna be stored. So next step is to just like here get 1 by 4, 2 by 4, just to continue really with your bricks. Let's go 2 by 2 there. 2 2 by 3s. Just put whatever bricks you really care across here, really. It doesn't matter what bricks you use, really. You don't have to do what I'm doing. I'm just doing this well out of the bricks that I have here. Just build it. 2 by 2, 2 by 2, 2 by 2, 2 by 3, 2 by 8 piece there, 1 by 2 there, 1 by 8, 2 by 4, 2 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 2 by 2, 2 by 2, 2 by 2, 2 by 4 to cover up the coin slot, 2 by 4, then just get another 2 by 4 there, but I only have this piece left. By 4 piece here, and I'll just quickly do the roof. 2 by 6 here, another 2 by 6 here, 2 2 by 2s, 2 by 2, sorry, 2 by 4. 2 by 2, 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 and go 1 by 6 piece here, and we just get 1. By 6 piece going across there, and actually I just noticed that I failed on this miserably. Move it all over by 1, so you should have something to, so where that piece was there and this piece was moved over, take this piece off, move that over, and then move those over, so you have something that looks like this. Let's load it. How you would load it, you would take off them and drop in your gobstopper. Then you would get your nickel, set it in, twist, get your candy, and you have to shake your coin out. Then back here you just have to push in the button. You might have to look and turn a bit, So yeah, please leave me a comment what you think about this, if you're all gonna make it, and if you have made it, leave me a video response of it, and so I can see it. And I did this video on my camera stand. So yeah, bye guys. Rate, comment, subscribe.